Hello, hello. I greet you now from heart to heart and just feeling the inspiration to share whatever is coming now spontaneously from this infinite vibrancy of my sacred heart. And it is also yours. It is just a reflection, just unique reflection of this eternal transmission from the heart of being. And beyond all the reasons that we can grasp, there is just pure resonance and love, which is infinite. That's why you can never fully comprehend it or explain it or grasp it through the faculties of your being. It is the path of the infinite. It is infinite path that encourages us to always expand, always renew, always rejoice in our infinite creation. And yes, we are growing, we are deepening our self-knowledge and self-appreciation through the unknown, through the mystery. So I encourage you to dive deep into unknown, to dive deep in the mystery of your infinite eternal being. Because you will find only more of your true self, of your true love, of your true beloved. So faith is that which opens this path of the infinite, of this universal harmony, and brings this intuitive knowingness, this intuitive inspiration that is always appropriate to the living experience, to the living moment, for the service. So you are always know enough. You are always have enough for each moment. Because all infinity always meets here and now, where all of our experiences happening. All the infinite wisdom meets in the very, very intimate presence. So feel this presence now. Feel this boundless presence. Feel this presence of your being, which is not bound by space, time, thoughts, feelings, stories, and it is connected to everything, to all that is, to the web of consciousness, which are always present in your heart. So, when you know that which appears finite is expression of the infinite, all the changes, all the relative changes can happen without hesitation when it is really appropriate for your journey, for your highest destiny. So feel that you are no longer holding anything back. You are no longer resisting to the infinite. Feel how this infinite wisdom and flow and love flows through your present experience. This infinite power. So first, you need to surrender to your present experience, however it is appearing, however it is felt. And when you no longer resist to that energy, you own it and you can direct it however your heart mostly desires. And it is easy when you're no longer resisting to the infinite. You can direct your energy very gently. So that's the balance between masculine and feminine, between surrendering and will, between faith and knowingness, and so on. And you can see that all of these dual expressions is just one unified power, one unified movement, one harmonious expression of your infinite nature. And yes, it is intuitive. It is boundless. That love. But it is also undeniable. You can feel deep within your being that undeniable love for life, love for everything, love for your body, love for yourself. And when you allow to embody that love, be the living embodiment of that infinite, unconditional love, all the reasons will follow, will support that movement of love And this infinite love also supports all the finite expressions. Yeah, between infinite and finite, there is love, which allows this miracle of life and experience to happen. And there is true happiness in the happening, in the process. Because happening of being is constant, and so it is happiness that are true in this continuity of being. Feel how good it is. To acknowledge that unconditional love, to acknowledge that unconditional happiness. And apply it in all the conditions of your experience. Saturate all the conditions that you meet with this unconditional love of your heart. And you will clearly see that it is all giant one celebration. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for receiving this reflection, this inspiration. And yeah, I encourage you to really, really apply it, to really, really embody it in your life. And for that, you need to be more conscious. You need to cultivate your awareness in this present moment. The more you aware, the more love you can receive and transmit. So that's the core of the practice. To constantly return to your pure consciousness, to your pure presence. And when acting from that space, from that unconditional space of your pure being. And then all your life becomes meditation, all your life becomes all included satsang, where this timeless truth is being integrated, embodied, expanded in this human experience. So enjoy and see you in the moment.